Water is vital for human survival, and taps are very important for water conservation. But have you ever wondered how taps are made? Let's unbox the 5-star brand plastic tap manufacturing factory, where 20,000 different types of taps are made every day. The tap manufacturing process starts with a variety of raw materials. PVC and ABS materials are used. These are purchased from companies like Reliance and Gale. First, the raw materials are loaded into an injection moulding machine. There are different types of injection moulding machines in this factory, and each makes different parts of the tap. As you can see here, the caps for crystal bibcocks are made. There are different types and coloured caps for various taps. The master batch pigments give the different colours to the caps. This machine makes 4 caps in one cycle. After that, the extra material is removed. In the next machine, the cover is made and fitted to the cap to enhance the look of the tap. Now let's move ahead. In this machine, the body of the tap is made. Every day, various types of 5-star brand taps are made in various machines. Quality is checked at every step of their manufacture. There are 200 types of bibcocks, with names such as Fancy, King, Piler, Cross, Sink, Two-Way, RO and Push, though there are also many more made in this factory. In the assembly area, the washer and valve are assembled manually. This is a very important part of the tap, as it controls the flow of water. Next, the cap and valve are assembled in the body with the help of the screw. After assembling, the quality of the plastic tap is checked again and sent for packaging. Here the taps are packed according to size and type. Now the boxes are separated by delivery location and types before being packaged in a carton. Finally, the plastic tap is ready to be bought and used in your house. I hope you enjoyed this tour of a plastic tap making factory. Subscribe to us for more factory unboxing videos. Like the video and don't forget to share with your friends. Stay connected, be updated.